Hello everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be presenting my hot stock series, stock number 2 and 3, which is VYNE and OBSV. In this series, I will try to present 10 small companies. Their stock shares price will surge the next couple days or the next couple weeks. This surge will be significant, at least 50%, if not 100 or even 200%. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor or CPA. Please use your own investment decision, and this is for education and entertainment purposes only. Now let's get on to these two stocks. Because after the Wall Street bet movement, the retail investors, as well as some institutional small investors, have moved part of their money to invest in some small pharmaceutical companies, especially those with a small market cap, let's say less than $1 billion. Their vision and mission for a small pharma company is to deliver medicine that enables every patient to live healthier, happier, and more active life at an affordable cost. Mission is to be the most valued pharmaceutical company by continuously researching, developing, and manufacturing a wide range of pharmaceutical products complying to the highest regulatory standards. This sudden inflow of capital into these small companies, as well as the hot discussion in the social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit, have made those stocks extremely hot recently. And we don't want to miss this historical opportunity, just like we have here Tesla starting to take off a few years ago. Now, the first stock is VYNE Therapeutics. Its share price is about $2.75, up from around $1 last week. VYNE Therapeutics is a pharmaceutical company focusing on developing and commercializing various therapeutics for dermatology. It offers the AMZEEQ, a topical minocycline used for the treatment of inflammatory lesions of non-nodular moderate to severe acne. The company is also developing FMX103, which is in phase 3 clinical trials for the treatment of the moderate to severe papulopustular rosacea in adults. Very promising, phase 3. And FCD105, a topical combination foam that is in phase 2 clinical trials for the treatment of moderate to severe acne vulgaris. In addition, it is developing serlopitant, a once daily oral NK1 receptor antagonist used as a treatment option for pruritus associated with prurigo nodularis. VYNE Therapeutics was founded in 2003 and is headquartered in Bridgewater, New Jersey. VYNE has two core products. The first one is the AMZEEQ minocycline topical foam. 4% is indicated for the treatment of inflammatory lesions of non-nodular moderate to severe acne vulgaris in adults and pediatric patients 9 years of age and older. This AMZEEQ just received FDA approval, as we can see in this Yahoo article published Monday, February 1st, 2021, FDA approval of AMZEEQ. Label update includes new information indicating the low propensity of this acne to develop resistance to minocycline. The second product of VYNE is ZILXITM. Topical foam, 1.5%, is a tetracycline class drug indicated for the treatment of inflammatory lesions of rosacea in adults. On January 29th, VYNE just announced closing a $50 million registered direct offering of common stock and provides corporate update, which led to its drop of its share price, but it bounced back immediately the next couple days. 3 analysts at TipRanks give the stock VYNE an estimate of $5.50 because of its FDA approval and the current hot topics at social media. I strongly believe that this stock, VYNE, has a great potential to break out further and reach $5 or $6 within the next couple days. Now the next stock I'll present is ObsEva SA, ticker symbol OBSV. And its share price is now around $3.87. Last week and for a long time it has been around the $1 to $1.50 area. ObsEva is a Swiss clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on the development and commercialization of novel therapeutics for serious conditions that compromise a woman's reproductive health and pregnancy. ObsEva has at least 3 core products in the market. The first one, second one, and third one, pretty hard to pronounce, but here are the names of the 3 major pipelines. On January 28th, ObsEva announced to issue a direct offering of almost 6 million shares, which led its share price to go down to about $3.30. It has bounced back slightly since its drop, and the share price is now around $3.87. ObsEva has at least 5 products in the pipeline which are in phase 3 trial. Success of any single one of them would lead to a significant surge of its share price, and the chance of failure of all the 5 is pretty low. In fact, we just need one of them to succeed and the stock share price will surge. We can see all 5 different phases: phase 3, phase 2A, and then 333. 3 analysts at TipRanks give the stock ObsEva an estimate of $20.50. This high share price estimate indicates the high confidence of analysts in the company. I strongly believe that this stock, within the next couple of days, ObsEva has a great potential to break out further and within a month reach $30 from the current share price of around $4, which would be a 400% jump. Now, taking a look at these stock charts, VYNE, we can see that it's been in a downtrend since early 2018. However, recently it popped. That day, Monday, January 25th, it was up 40%, and also a huge spike Tuesday, February 2nd, it was up 14%. So it's looking to break out of this resistance level and be sure to catch it before it's too late. Look at the volume, pretty strong volume. Now for ObsEva, we can see in a downtrend too the last couple of years since 2017, but recently it popped. Thursday, January 14th, it was up 19%, and then the following day, Friday, January 15th, it was up 61%. So we're having a consolidation phase right now. Huge volume on this green day. Volume was at 141.9 million, and it averaged around 2.6 million shares per day. Huge amounts of people getting into the stock, looking to break out soon. Those are my 2 picks for today. Hopefully it will not be too late before it breaks out. As always, please use your own investment decision and take the appropriate risk. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's see how these 2 stocks, VYNE, ObsEva, will unfold. Be sure to check out my previous stock video of my series right here at the top. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.